Well, I went to the post office and look what I got. The Breek charger. Ordered 2 of these. They look pretty good. I'll try to do this with one hand. And it's not going to be very pretty, but we'll see what we can do. Looks well made. Good firm aluminum. I'm going to check it with a caliper with the factories. I'm replacing the one in my 556 223 Colt and also in the Grindle. It looks good. Got a good spring in it. Ambidextrous. Looks really well made. Anyway, let me pull these out. I'm going to measure them, see if all the specs are the same, and then we'll go from there. Well, I installed the new charging handles, and man, they look great. This one's on the Colt. I mean, it was just a really, really good fit. I measured them, the specs, width, length, was all dead on. This is the one that I replaced on my Grindle. And it's, I think I'm gonna like these. Okay, now we're gonna try a little function test. Super. Super. Okay, I'm very pleased. And I can retire these. I like that.